Ayan yung mga bato. At saka meron naman, meron din kahoy. Para lang tiles, guys. Look. Diba ang ganda? So punta tayo doon sa malaking flower pot. You know, it's beautiful structure. Amazing. So that's the large flower pot here. Arrow down there.
On top of the
Be careful, be careful. We're going down.
Berkah.
Punta tayo doon sa baba. Ay, doon sa may, ano, lapitan natin yung flower pot. I know how to do it. Hey, look. I know it looks so bad. Alright, you see guys, the rock formation, it's incredible, it's beautiful, and there's a lot of people coming here just to see this big flower pot in here. And it's hard to come here kasi nga magpeperi ka and it takes like more than half an hour to get here. by cruise. And then ayos naman ang biyahe. It's beautiful. Sulit ang bayad, sulit ang pagpunta kahit malayo from the city. So this is located here in Bruce Peninsula, Canada. So 4 hours drive away sa Toronto. Bruce Peninsula, Tobermory. So ayan guys, beautiful. It's like it's like an ocean, but this is a lake. Yeah, this is lake. The flower pot forms because of the waves of the water. So ayan ang history nitong flower pot na to. I don't know guys if you know the story about this, but yeah, there is a copy of that in there, or if you can read it right after there, up there. So ayan lang. Alright, and this bird is still here. Ayan siya. Pasensya na kayo sa aking vlog, hindi ako magaling magsalita, but yes, it's incredible. It's beautiful, and there's a lot of islands here. So you can see that. That's another island here. That's another island. Lots, hundreds of islands in here. Oh well. Gusto niya akong basahin nito. Alright guys. So, ayun lang. Thank you everyone for watching, and I hope you guys like my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and follow my channel. Alright, bye bye.